Hey all, it's Roxy Robinette, and this is the last time you have to hear from me tonight. So I have chosen the Learning Station as my last um, app, website. This particular one is a YouTube channel, and it's kind of similar to GoNoodle. It gets kids moving with action songs that are catchy. You can see here we've got Boom Chicka Boom, and it gets the kids moving. I'm going to just hit play on it. You won't be able to hear it, but you get the kids moving and gets their wiggles out. If you can't take the kids out or they just need a quick brain break, this is a great way to do it. I am going to hit videos so you can see what we have. They even have brain breaks, 18 minutes. So I'm going to click on it. Deal with an ad, of course. And then brain breaks will come on as soon as it's done. But you can see 19 minutes gets the kids moving. Um, Again, similar to GoNoodle, but if you need a break from GoNoodle, this is a great alternative. I definitely plan to use it with my kiddos. It's geared towards the kids, probably the younger kids. Third graders might handle it. Fourth and fifth will probably look at you like you're crazy. Any older than that, not terrible. Teachers can use it. Share it with other teachers, things like that. Um, and mostly just let's get the wiggles out, be able to concentrate again for classroom activities. And it's just a way to use technology to help get kids ready to learn. So the ISTE standards that I believe that this matches 3.3.D support educators in using technology to advance learning that meets the diverse learning, cultural, and social emotional needs of individual students. And then 3.1.A ensure all students have skilled teachers who actively use technology to meet student learning needs. So thanks very much. Have a great night.